Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in to Chase with a YouTube channel which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about and what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the driver squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family. Let them know it's popping over here. Let's get into today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. We back on the road. We back in the truck. I enjoy my hometown, but you know, we are being consistent out here. I'm thinking about just changing the title, investing in Cashapp, categories, blah blah blah. And I think that's what I'm going to re-advise those other videos, because I wanted to make sure that as many people see it as popular. That's just how YouTube analytics work. And investing in Cashapp, that's been mainly what's been getting more consistent views, more people been watching. Even though y'all been killing it, people that have been staying true, they've been wanting this. So let's go and put y'all on the screen real quick, because it's time to talk about the ETFs and Cashapp. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And like I said in my last video, if you want me to put you on my worksheet, I can send it to your email and things like that, so you can pull it up in your email if you got the workbook app, and you can just put it up, and every time I update it or I do another list, you will be able to get it right before the market go live. So everything is currently from May 27th tonight, from the market being closed. And let's go into ETF. So on ETF, I did every single one of these. I did every one. I calculated the 200 moving day average. I'm doing long term. So it's either invest now or wait 200 days, then do my calculations again, or periodically I might come back to it just to see what to invest in. So let's open up the sheets, the Google Sheets. It's the Google Sheets. Open up the Google Sheets. Shopping for new stocks, that's what's gonna be the workbook. And sheet 1, I need to change sheet 1. Let me rename this. Sheet 1 is banking and finances. So that's banking and finance. And then this one is called rename ETFs. Okay, and what are ETFs? Let's look that up together. ETF stock. Okay, so let's see, ETF meaning. ETF is an exchange traded fund, an investment fund traded on stock exchanges. Much like stocks, an ETF holds assets such as stocks, commodities, and bonds, and generally operates with an arbitrage mechanism designed to keep it trading close to its net asset value, although deviations can obviously occur. I still don't understand what that means. How does they work though? ETFs gives you a way to buy and sell a basket of assets without having to buy all the components individually. Also, it's kind of like a collective of things. So instead of just buying Google, you get to buy Google, Apple, and other things that's in the technology. Okay, I'm learning. An ETF works like the fund provider owns the underlying assets, design a fund to track their performance, and then sell shares in the fund to invest. We learned something new. So just like the oil, hey, it's time to make a move in the oil. Let me show y'all real quick. So I calculated everything right here. So we got the stock price and the 200 moving day average, and this is what the stock market is. And the 200 moving day average with an 80% discount. And all I basically did was, as you can tell down here, I did the equal sign, I took the whatever the 200 moving day average was on the stockcharts.com. So just like SPY, let's go to stock charts right here. I want to show y'all exactly the method. SPY, we're gonna type in SPY right here, which is the stock market of the top 500 companies right here. So this is where I got the calculations if you want to do it on your own. So it closed on the 26th at $299.08, and I wrote that down with my stock price. And then the 200 moving day average was 297.33. So that means possibility in 200 days, and possibly 200 days, is only it's gonna depreciate to $297.33. So you would like to multiply that number times about 0.8, and that's how you get 237.86, and that's all you doing for calculating the 200 moving day average. Now, as I zoom in while y'all are here, a lot of these companies I have to wait a few more days because things are getting risky. But we got a banging stock right here, USO. And let's look this up together because I want to show y'all how I calculate my return rate so y'all can do it on your own. But of course, I still got y'all because we're going to be doing each of the categories on Cashapp. So right here, it closed at 25.66. And right here at USO, the stock price is $25.66. Now the 200 moving day average on the 80% discount. Oh, I messed that up. See, look, sometimes you mess up. Let me do this correctly for you. Oh, I did this for a reason. What was the number? 76.33 times 0.8. Okay, we got a different number, but it's 61.06 now. So now we have to change that number and change it to, so this is how I got the calculations right here. 61.06. Okay, so it's still a great return. Okay, so this is how you calculate your return rate. You are going, so if you're in Excel or stuff like that, you're going to put equal sign, open parentheses, your 200 moving day average times 0.8, and whatever that number is, you're going to put it right here next to the open parentheses minus your closing price, that closing share price, which was 25.66, close parentheses divided by the share price, and it's going to give you what your possibly return rate will look like in the next 200 days. So USO is a good stock to invest in. I'm going to be putting my money there. Another stock, EWZ. What is EWZ? EWZ, where are you? EWZ, where are you? Where are you? EWZ. I thought I could just get to it. EWZ. EWZ. And this is Brazil, right? EWZ. That's the next. Okay, EWZ. The iShares and whatever this is called, the iShares MSCI Brazil Capped Index Fund. You have a possibly return rate of 13.58%. So that's another good stock to invest in, even though they claiming that they got the ban, they got the Brazil ban and stuff like that. It's still some money to be made, even though they manipulating, the media is manipulating what's going on in Brazil. This is the time to make the money. the stock market and what the real world do is two different ways. Don't get misled, because I sold a lot of my stocks and I don't want that to happen to y'all. Another company, let me see, out of these two, I think that's it. Out of these two companies, IYR, which is the iShares United States Real Estate ETF. And you know, a lot of people haven't been paying their bills, but it's still money to be made. Still money to be made. And you have a possibly return rate of IYR of 13% in the next 200 days. So that means things gonna go back to normal. We just being manipulated right now. Don't bet against the stock market. I'm telling you right now. Numbers lie. They don't. But men, women, media, they can lie. Numbers don't lie. Stock market still been able to do great. New stocks that I invested in from yesterday, I went ahead, I sold my Amazon stock simply because they got a lot of going on. It's gonna be some overreacting, reacting with Amazon. So I went ahead and took that money out because I was like, I really don't even want to hold that in, and I really technically don't own no share in it just yet. So let me just take that money out and put it elsewhere. So that's all I basically did. I would have just waited to Friday and put small money support, like, let me see, I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, so I just gotta wait till Friday. But that's probably gonna be a double upload for sure. So I just took the $100 out. I took my profit of 100 and let me see, is there a way that I can see what was my profit? Let's see. Oh Lord, you just kicked me out like that, Cashapp? Amazon. Let's see. So I made $3. Yeah, I made $3.31 since I didn't had it. And you see, that's not too many shares that I didn't had in it, but it's cool though. It's alright. I was only on 0.04% in that dang company anyway, so it didn't matter. Overall, I was up $11.05. Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down. It jumped down to 8,000, which is fine. It's good for me because I get to invest some more money into it and catch it while I keep going low. So I enjoy that. So I'm gonna keep taking advantage of Bitcoin. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. Let me see what's next. Energy. We're going through the energy companies next, and I'm gonna provide that for y'all. So we don't have no part 2 for this one. It's all gonna be under investing in cash out. Investing in cash out. Let me see. Investing in cash out. The top stocks and ETFs. That's how I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do the nice little thumbnail, investing in cash out, top stocks and ETFs. Did y'all like them thumbnails though? I'm getting better with my thumbnails now. Watch out. Alright, Chase Way up out of here. Thank y'all for staying true. If you made it this far, comment a green heart. Let me know. That means you're investing in this money. You're investing in this money. You are understanding that the stock market is the best way to get out of the working class to the ownership class. And that's what we all about, baby. It's time to own things. Become share owners, shareholders. You know what I'm saying? Owning stocks of companies. I mean, we give them money every day. Why not own some of this so you can get some money back? And that's all that's back. That's all that's about. Some companies give dividend, and some companies you just make money while they prosper. It be like that. You give them money anyway. Why not start accumulate some of them funds instead of just letting these items that you use like water? If you can invest in a water company, and as people continue to buy water, your stock increase, your gains increase as you continue to own more shares. Dollar cost averaging. The more you keep adding, the more money you are building, while the market, it fluctuate, and then when you ready to take out, and once it keep going up, you done accumulated so many shares and you put so much money in, your gains increase because you bought when it was low and you bought when it was high. So now you have different entry points, and then dollar cost averaging, you are able to accumulate, you are able to appreciate, no, you are able to maximize your gains instead of just investing 1,000 and just letting it go. That's not the smart move. Long term only. Thank y'all for watching, and leave a green heart down below if you made it this far. Thank y'all for supporting. Other videos is coming like I always do, Sunday and Thursday, and investing videos gonna be coming daily, pretty much daily. I got y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Chase Way out. Peace.